video.
New York City isn't just the city that never sleeps. It's also one of the most exciting places in the world for kids. Whether you're planning a family vacation or you already live nearby and want to keep your little ones entertained, the Big Apple is packed with adventures for all ages. From dinosaurs and space shuttles to candy shops and giant toy stores, this city is a playground in itself. Today, we're counting down 32 amazing things to do in New York City with kids. Grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have your entire family itinerary planned. Iconic NYC experiences. 1. Central Park. Central Park isn't just a patch of green. It's 843 acres of endless family adventures. Imagine your kids running through 21 different playgrounds, rowing a boat on the lake, or riding the historic carousel. Don't forget the Alice in Wonderland statue, where kids love to climb and explore. In winter, Woolman Rink turns into a magical ice skating spot right in the heart of Manhattan. 2. Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. The Statue of Liberty is not only iconic, but also an adventure for kids. The ferry ride alone feels like a mini cruise, with seagulls overhead and the Manhattan skyline in the distance. Once there, families can climb up to the pedestal and see Lady Liberty up close. Pair it with a visit to Ellis Island, where kids can discover stories of immigrant families who once arrived in America. 3. Empire State Building. Standing tall at 102 stories, this landmark gives kids a whole new perspective on New York. They'll love spotting yellow taxis and tiny people below. The observation decks are especially stunning at sunset, when the city lights slowly come alive. Parents, tip: buy tickets online to skip the long lines. 4. Times Square. Times Square is like stepping into a giant video game. Massive billboards, neon lights, and street performers everywhere. For kids, the real highlights are stores like M&M's World, where they can create custom candy mixes, and the Disney Store, which feels like walking into a movie. 5. The High Line. This raised park was built on an old railway line, and kids find it fascinating to walk above the street. 7. American Museum of Natural History. Dinosaurs. That's the magic word. This museum's T-Rex skeleton and massive blue whale model are kid favorites. Add the Hayden Planetarium for a trip through outer space, and you've got a full day of discovery. 8. Children's Museum of Manhattan. Completely designed for kids, this museum is all about interactive play. Children can climb, paint, and explore hands-on exhibits that make learning fun. It's a lifesaver on rainy days. 9. New York Hall of Science. With more than 450 exhibits, kids get to play scientist for the day. They can build robots, test physics experiments, and explore the outdoor science playground in warmer months. 10. Intrepid Sea, Air, and Space Museum. Step onto a real aircraft carrier, crawl inside a submarine, and marvel at the Space Shuttle Enterprise. For kids who dream about flying or space travel, this museum is like stepping into history. 11. Whitney Museum. While it's an art museum, Whitney makes sure families feel welcome. Their family programs turn art into interactive fun, helping kids understand creativity in a playful way. 12. Brooklyn Children's Museum. Founded in 1899, it was one of the first museums in the world built just for children. From culture exhibits to hands-on activities, kids get to travel the globe without leaving Brooklyn. 13. Museum of Ice Cream. This is part playground, part dessert fantasy. Kids can slide into a pool of sprinkles, taste samples, and explore candy-colored rooms. It's Instagram-worthy and pure joy for children. Outdoor Adventures 14, Bronx Zoo. This isn't just any zoo. It's one of the largest in the world, with over 700 species. From gorillas to tigers, there's something around every corner. Families especially love the Butterfly Garden and the Children's Zoo. 15. Central Park Zoo. Well, right in the heart of Manhattan, this smaller zoo is perfect for young kids who can't walk long distances. Sea lion shows and penguin exhibits are the big highlights. 16. Prospect Park. Well, often called Brooklyn's version of Central Park, this green escape has everything. A zoo, playgrounds, picnic areas, and even pedal boats. Families can spend an entire afternoon here without running out of things to do. 17. Coney Island. An amusement park right by the beach. From classic rides like the Cyclone roller coaster to arcade games and cotton candy, it's a full-on carnival experience. Don't leave without trying a Nathan's Famous hot dog. 18. Governor's Island. A quick ferry ride brings you to wide open spaces and kid-friendly fun. Rent bikes, try out slides and climbing structures, or relax in hammocks while kids play. In summer, it hosts outdoor events perfect for families. 19. Little Island. This floating park on the Hudson River looks like something out of a fairy tale. Winding paths, grassy hills, and open-air performances make it a magical outing for kids and adults alike. 20. Roosevelt Island Tramway. Gliding over the East River in a cable car feels like an adventure movie for kids. The views of Manhattan are breathtaking. And once on Roosevelt Island, families can enjoy parks and picnic spots. Fun shows and entertainment. 21. Broadway shows for kids. Broadway isn't just for adults. Shows like The Lion King, Aladdin, and Frozen are tailor-made for kids. The costumes, music, and magic leave children wide-eyed in wonder. 22. Radio City Music Hall. The Christmas Spectacular featuring the Rockettes is an annual tradition. Think dancing soldiers, sparkling lights, and holiday cheer that kids will never forget. 23. Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. From superheroes to celebrities, kids love posing with lifelike wax figures. The Marvel 4D movie experience adds an action-packed twist. 24. The Big Apple Circus. Full of acrobats, jugglers, and clowns, this circus is completely animal-free, making it fun and ethical. Kids leave buzzing with excitement. 25th. Yankee Stadium Tour. Even non-baseball fans will enjoy stepping onto the field, visiting the dugouts, and exploring one of the most famous stadiums in sports history. Unique and tasty experiences. 26. Chelsea Market. A food lover's paradise. Parents grab gourmet bites while kids discover everything from tacos to donuts. It's also indoors, perfect on rainy days. 27. Smorgasburg Food Market. Held in Brooklyn, this outdoor food festival is full of wild and colorful snacks. Think rainbow bagels, giant cookies, and bubble waffles. Kids will love the food adventure. 28. Grand Central Terminal. Sure, it's a busy train hub, but it also has hidden gems. The Whispering Gallery lets kids test sound waves by whispering secrets across the hall. 29. Fau Schwartz. An iconic toy store where kids can play the giant piano from the movie Big. From life-size teddy bears to interactive toys, it's a wonderland for children. 30. Dylan's Candy Bar. 3 floors of candy heaven, designed like a colorful dream. Kids can pick from lollipops, gummies, and chocolate in every shape and size imaginable. 31. Ellen's Stardust Diner. This isn't your typical diner. While you eat burgers and sip milkshakes, the waiters burst into Broadway songs. It's dinner and a show rolled into one. 32. Ice skating at Rockefeller Center or Bryant Park.